Alright guys, we're out at the Cruisin for Susan car show in Brunswick, Georgia. And we're gonna take you around and show you on a grand tour of what we got out here. It's a small show, but it's got a lot of quality cars out here. So I guess it's quality over quantity. Is it a Starfire? Is that a Pontiac? Check out this Packard. You don't see those very often at all. Seen this guy a few times. Doesn't make it any less cool, that Ford. But yeah. Oh, look at SSR. You don't see those very much. Buick. It's kind of cool. 63 Impala. Can't go wrong there. I like this one. I like this redneck Ranger here. I like the mossy oak wood paneling look on the side. It's cool. Old Chevy. I love that Corvette. I love that kind of Corvette because you always see that Corvette and you always have to think of True Lies, where Schwarzenegger scared the living you know what out of Bill Paxton in that movie, driving that Corvette. Ooh, a Thunderbird. You don't see those hardly at all. Those are cool. You know, you see one every once in a great while. This Beetle's got a nice color to it. Got a nice setup too. Just fine. Last Saturday. Oh, Connect Cruisers. Yep. Run into people all the time out here. Man, this is a sweet looking Cadillac. Oh, it's got the fins too, man. It's a cool Cadillac. Makes you think of that Johnny Cash song. I like the color on that Mustang. Copper. And check out this Nova here. This thing is cool. I don't know if you can see it very well, but the flames on the fender are so faint you can't hardly see them until you get right up on it.
So, where are you headed?
Couple old Bel Airs. It's like somebody chopped this Chevy here. No, I wish. Just looking at all the cool cars. Well, that's gonna wrap up this tour. It's small but mighty. They're raising money for a lady that's got breast cancer, so that's why they're having this car show. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep them coming at you. Had a couple of late arrivers as I was getting done with the grand tour. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap up this video from the Cruisin for Susan car show in Brunswick, Georgia. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We enjoyed being at this show. So, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give us a like, comment, share, even subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. That would really help out the channel. We're trying to get to our initial 500 monetization goal. We're halfway there. We need your help to make it. So, like, subscribe, comment, share. Share us around to all your car people. Share us around to your non-car people. They might enjoy it too. We don't discriminate on this channel. So, anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.